Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check order status on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you want, or we have, and go and download the Foodpanda application. When you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you're having struggles with that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of videos on that. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have your address, we have the search bar, and in bottom, we have the bottom 4 tabs. We have the home tab, shops, search, and the account tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check order status on Foodpanda. So what you can do guys is actually go and click on all of these tabs. You need to go and click on the 4 tab. So not home, not shops, not search, but the account tab. Here, as you can see, underneath your name, you have the view profile, and underneath that, you have the orders, favorites, and addresses. Where you need to click is on the orders tab. So when you click on the orders tab, here guys, you'll have all your orders. So at the moment, I don't have any orders yet because my credit card is not working for some odd reason. But guys, be sure when you have orders, they will be here in the orders tab. And here you can go and check out their status. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.